welcome back to the game. Today we are going to
The fireworks!
and at the city. We're taking the train. We did three, and also we'll take a long time to get the car.
Yeah. Are we ready? Let's go. It's empty. For now, it's empty. Where you wanna sit, Liana?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit here since I don't really want to. Like kind of. We're going to fight.
Yes, we are. Is the train moving? Or we in it? Apa, we might see kangaroo, Kappa? Kangaroo there somewhere? Oh, there, lots of kangaroo. Oh, we can't see, it's too far. Yeah. It's a bit too far. Might be some over here. Mustang. Hi, Pa. Hi, Pa.
So guys, we're walking to the fireworks, and we're going to the fireworks. So guys, we're heading off to the fireworks to see the show, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna meet our grandma and grandpa. So let's go.
So many people. Look at that. Waiting for the fireworks.
So guys, we made it to the fireworks. So we're gonna
Place.
be waiting. So we're gonna be waiting for a little bit for the fireworks to pop up. So well, let's watch. Can I show you guys 4 skills?
Later.
And you're gonna rate them from 1 through 10.
What are you doing? Shen, Liano. Video. Liano.
Guys, it's 30 more minutes until the fireworks.
So we're just waiting here and wait and wait.
Look at the sunset. It looks so beautiful. last one. But after the last couple, it was like not even glad at all. But I'm so glad I did it. Like and subscribe. My stomach. My stomach stops hurting. Then like what hurts. Then after.
How do we cross over?
So I squeeze my. There's so much people here.
Oh, it's empty! What is this? This is a bar.
So many people. Night sky like shooting stars. I'm gonna use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Night sky like shooting stars. I'm gonna use a wish right now. Wish. Guys, we're done watching the fireworks, so we'll see you guys next time on our next video. Bye bye.
See you guys next year.
Oh, yeah, pretty much.